going to teach you how to install Windows Server on VirtualBox. So we're going to start from VirtualBox. I'm already on VirtualBox Manager. And what we're going to do, we're going to select the option New. And right here, we're going to name our server, our virtual machine, sorry. We're going to name this Windows Server 25. And then we're going to select our ISO file. So we're going to navigate to where we have our ISO file. In my case, I have it here already. And then what we're going to do is very important to do this. We're going to skip the unattended installation. So select this option because if no, it will give you more problems. So it's very important that you guys select this option and skip unattended installation. Select next. Then we're going to leave everything as default right now. So select next. We're going to select next. And then we're going to finish it. And we're going to run our virtual machine. We're going to select the option start and run our virtual machine. This is the first Windows server setup that you guys are going to see. So what you're going to do, you're going to select next. And then keyboard, we're just going to leave the default as US. And then install Windows Server because we want to do a clean installation. So we're going to install Windows Server. And then we're going to select the option I agree everything will be deleted, including files, apps, and settings. Next. We're getting a few things ready, so it's doing its thing. We're gonna wait a little bit. There you go. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna select Windows Server 2025 standard evaluation desktop experience. The reason why we do desktop experience is because if we select the first option, it's only gonna be without a GUI, without a graphic user interface. So literally all you guys are gonna see is just a command line and PowerShell, and your server is pretty much gonna be just a server but without a GUI, so just the command line or PowerShell. So if you guys want to serve resources, the first option is the best, but not everyone is experienced with just using the command line and PowerShell and being like proficient at PowerShell to be able to run a server. So we're gonna do this one, the second option, which is the best. Next, it's gonna do the same thing where we're just gonna do the same thing. Um, accept the license terms and conditions. We're gonna wait a little bit and it's gonna start searching for this. We're gonna leave everything as how it is. We're gonna do next. We're gonna do next and then it's ready to install the operating system. Install Windows Server 2025, a standard evaluation desktop experience. Install. So right here, it's gonna take couple of time. After that, guys, what you guys are gonna see, you guys are gonna see this screen right here installing the operating system. So it might restart your server like couple of times. Don't worry, this is normal. Um, just let it do its thing. Like I said, it's gonna probably restart your server a couple of times, probably like 2-3 times. This is normal. So just wait until the process finishes. So then after that, guys, what you guys are gonna see, you're gonna see the where you guys have to set up a password. Make sure you guys set up a password here for your local administrator and confirm the password. It doesn't match, so I did something wrong. So let's just set up a password for my administrator. And then we select finish. It's finalizing your settings. Windows Server is starting up. Um, so it's applying. So there you go. You guys have your server. So after you guys send the control delete, you guys are gonna log in to your administrator account. It's gonna start setting up the profile for Windows Server. It's gonna start applying the user. So let's wait until my server logs boots up. So it's booting up right now. As you guys can see, it's just a black screen. Don't be afraid. Like I said, this is the first time setting up the server, so it's gonna take some time until it does this thing. As you guys can see, it's running some stuff on the background. Um, don't be afraid if this happened to your server. It's regular. It's stuff that can happen. So it's just doing his thing on the background. So don't worry. So as you guys can see, my server is starting to show up. Like I said, if you guys see this screen, this black screen, don't freak out. It's part of the process. Don't start like, oh, what's happening with my server? No. It's regular. So let's wait until this shows up. It's part of the Windows 11 2025. I'm sorry, Windows Server 2025. So let's wait. It's loading. So we can minimize this. So we can read this. So include optional, or you can do require only. So you guys can usually require only is like sending diagnostic data to Microsoft. Just do the require only. You guys don't have to do like the full thing. So as you guys can see, I have my server up and running. So I'm gonna cancel this. It automatically went to Windows Server Manager. So as you guys can see, I have my Windows Server Manager up and running. And we have our server running. So that's pretty much it for this video. As you guys can see, the server has a very similar similarity to Windows 11. So Windows Server 2025 has a very similarity. In the next video, I'm gonna show how to use Active Directory. So see you guys in the next video.